More pressure.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait for this to be over. Hey family, good morning and welcome back to my channel. All right guys, I am on my way to the orthodontist. It is that time of the month where I have to go get my teeth, or my braces I should say, tightened. All right, so I'm gonna take you along with me. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right guys, we just got here, heading upstairs to the appointment. Let's see what they say. Okay, so yeah, I picked the color. Don't know what I want. I'll probably just go with silver.
Silver top and bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Silver is very popular today. Everyone's picking silver.
Oh yeah?
You can remove your mask. I'll put it down. We'll take a look at the bite. And then just place your chin up a little bit. Good, that's helpful. Pull that back. Open.
Wires are out and I'm able to brush. They look good, y'all. They look good.
This one to the back one. More pressure. Never ending.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait for this to be over.
Almost.
Oh, thank you. Alright guys. That was a great appointment. I really enjoyed that one. She did such a good job on my teeth, guys. Look. And I got my rubber bands. I could deal with the rubber bands like this. That's not bad at all. The other time I had to wear the rubber bands, it was one on the top and two at the bottom. So I felt like I couldn't even open my mouth. I was like, I didn't like that. But I can wear them like this. This is good. This is comfortable. Hey guys, so let's see what else we got going on for today. Hey, so I made it to the shop. Even though today's my day off, guys, I swear I feel like I never have a day off, because even though I'm here, even though I call Wednesdays my day off, it's like I'm still here working. I'm still here working. But the beauty in that, what I do like about it, is that I can get work done and I can catch up, and I don't have any clients coming in and out. So it just makes it a lot easier for me to actually get my work done, and then I can actually catch up. So, but I only had like 2 pieces that I wanted to catch up on, which is what I did after the dentist. So you guys, as you guys can see, this is how I do on my day off. I'm also waiting for FedEx to get here because I ordered my husband a new phone and they said it's gonna be delivered today, but my store is closed. So of course I'm here, but they said it's gonna be here by 4:30 and it is 4:45 and it's still not here yet, fam. So I'm still here waiting for him to get his new phone. Hopefully they will deliver it before I leave. Otherwise we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow to get his phone. Well, they said they attempted delivery for the phone at 3:30, but the business was closed. I was here. They probably just seen the door close and they assumed that nobody was inside. So we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to get the phone. So hopefully when I get it tomorrow, I'll be able to show you guys the phone. All right, fam, later. All right, guys, we finally got it. The next day. So let's take a look and see what phone he got. Got the, where'd you get? The Samsung S21Ultra 5G. That's what he got for his birthday, fam. Nice. All black. Black on black. Perfect. All right, family, and that's a wrap. That's how my day went. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. All right, deuces.